how to change your host name in CentOS 7 and 8. So we need to use a hostname CTL command, hostname CTL, and set hyphen hostname. And suppose I want to give a node for VM, for example. So like that, you can change your host name, and what it will do, it will update the entry backend on your /etc slash hostname file. Okay, /etc slash hostname file. So first let us check it here. It is what is the name here inside this file. So let me cancel it. Okay, cat/etc host name. Okay, so here you are able to see local. So let me change the host name here. So set hyphen host name arguments, we need to use it to change the host name. Okay, now once we have changed it, here you are able to say it is not changed. So we need to log out and log in again. Okay, log in again. Okay, again. Okay, so let me log out here. Okay, so if you want to check here, let's check, is it changed here? Not backend files. Yes, it's changed. Okay, so let me log out here first. Okay, let me re-log in again. Okay, now you can see the host name has been changed here. Now it is a new name, node 4VM. For example, if you want to change without a command, so already I told you, like we can change in a vi slash in etc host name file. It's reflecting there. Let me change here, instead of a node VM, let me change as a server. Okay, let me change a server node. Okay, let me use a server node here and saved it here. Okay, so I need to log out here and then re-log in again. So after re-login again, it has been not changed. So in this scenario, we need to reboot our system. Okay, we need to reboot the server. Then it will reflect. Then it will reflect if we are if we are doing a changing in the file. So now you can say the file changing, and we had done file changing here, host name. So it is showing me server underscore node. So let me reboot here and we'll see the changings. Okay, so it is going for a reboot. Now see, the host name has been changed. So when we are doing a manual through a /etc host name, then reboot must be. Okay, but if you are changing through a host name CTL set hyphen host name, and for example I'm changing any node for VM, then no reboot not required. Reboot not required. Only log out and log in. Log out and log in. Okay. So thank you so much.